Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to keep your child's attention during name call exercises. Holding their focus is key to reinforcing name recognition effectively. One of the simplest ways to capture your child's attention is by using animated facial expressions. Exaggerating your smile, raising your eyebrows, or whitening your eyes makes it fun and engaging.
Human. Good job. Human. Very nice.
Changing the tone or volume of your voice helps hold their focus. Try speaking in a sing-song voice or adding excitement when calling their name.
Yuan. Yuan. Oh, good job. Yuan. Yuan. Very good.
Incorporate gestures like waving or clapping while calling their name. Physical movements catch their eye and keep them engaged.
Yuan. Yuan. Good job. Yuan. Very good.
Use props like a favorite toy or object to grab attention. You can call their name and show the toy, prompting them to look and respond.
Yuan. Yuan. Very good, Yuan.
By using dynamic techniques like facial expressions, varying your tone, and keeping sessions short, you can make name call exercises more engaging and effective. With these fun and interactive techniques, you'll keep your child's attention and make name recognition an enjoyable part of your daily routine. Keep practicing.